We're going to explore the structure of the logistic map orbit diagram just a little bit more. This is a screenshot of a Java applet. And so we have our familiar single fixed point, and then at r equals 3, we have the bifurcation where it becomes unstable, not shown on this orbit diagram, and a period 2 orbit that's stable is born, and then we have another period doubling and another period doubling. And what we can do with this applet is zoom in on a small little piece of this orbit diagram and see that when we zoom in, we're seeing a copy that looks a lot like the whole thing. So on this zoomed in version, note that we have a small range of R right now. We can still see this period 3 window, and we can also see other little miniature copies if we zoom in again. So I just zoomed in. My range got smaller. I can see another period 3 window and another piece here where I can zoom in. I get that period 3 window again and all these pieces. I'm going to zoom in a slightly different place in the diagram right now, in the middle of the period 3 window. Okay, still seeing copies of this fig tree, branch, 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 and that period 3 window. Gonna zoom in right here. Okay, we have the same thing, distorted and bent a little, but very similar to the overall diagram. Maybe I'm gonna go down here now. Okay, and so I've zoomed in so much that actually to the resolution of this bottom line, we're at a single value of R, but you can see that here's that period 3 window again, and here's our whole diagram, and I can keep zooming in. This program is gonna kind of run out of resolution to allow me to do that, but you can see that within this diagram, there's a small copy, and within the small copy, a small copy, and within the small copy, a small copy, and a copy, and a copy, and a copy. I'm just zooming in over and over again. And there's this gorgeous similar structure, distorted and twisted a little, but where we have miniature copies of this diagram embedded within itself over and over again.